Hello everyone! Start off by taking some paper straws and then cut up one end of it. Make a small slit through one of them and then curve the edges as such. Add a yellow center to it, wrap it all around a wire and then wrap some green paper around it. Take multiple straws and then cut up the bendable portion of it. Make a slit till the end of it and then make a V-shaped cut on one of the ends. Make multiple slits on one of the parts of the straw and then add the bendable portions right underneath it. Next, take a green straw, make leaf-like shapes out of it and attach the two together. Next, take some blue ribbon, cut out a small square of it, add tape to the center, fold it into half. Now make a leaf shape cut out of it as such. Wrap it all around a wire, add a yellow center to it and then wrap green crepe paper to the bottom. Next, take this plastic material and then wrap a wire around it and fold it as such. Make multiple cuts in it and spread it out. Now add a brown base to it using some brown crepe paper, add multiple flowers to it as such. Take some jute thread and then take a bottle, cut out the base and the top of it, join the two together. Add tape all around it longitudinally and then add super glue to the bottom, stick it on some cardboard paper, wrap it using this jute thread and then use it as a vase. Now take the bottle and then make a cut in the bottom, add tape all around once again longitudinally and then line it with some jute thread. Do this until you reach the top and then once you reach the top, make designs out of it. We have decided to make a simple curved design. Add a little stand to it and then use it as a vase. Take two bottles in a bag and then using this cloth bag, make a square slit out of it and fold it over multiple times. Cut it out in the star-like shape. Make two of these and then stick them one on top of the other, add a pearl in the middle and use it as a flower. Cut out the stencil of love and then a heart. Now line this heart with thread as such. Then do the same with the words LOVE. Now take some thread and then add it in this shape, tie a knot to it and then make this thread. Thank you for watching.